So I'm going to tell you the story of my one back bottom tooth, not the wisdom tooth, the next one. I had an emergency implant done in Spain about 18 months ago. And it was the Straumann brand, which is a good quality brand. And it seemed to be done well. Everything seemed okay. And then about a month or two later, I started having pain on the inside of my gum. And I was not in Spain anymore at the time. I was actually in Germany. So I visited a German dentist, and he looked at it and he said, "Oh, the cap has fallen off of your implant. Let me just put a new cap on." So he did that. I thought everything was good. When it was time to put a crown on, I was back in my home country, Canada, and they did an x-ray. They said, "Sure, we'll put the crown on." They put the crown on, and I continued to have this small amount of pain, and the pain got worse and worse over time. And with my tongue, I could literally press on my gum and feel something. And what I didn't realize was I was feeling the bottom of my implant. It got to the point where my implant had basically burst through, and you can probably see it in the images they're going to show, but I could feel the bottom of my implant with my tongue. And obviously that's risk of infection, causing lots of pain. I couldn't eat on that side of the mouth. The crown seemed to be complete, but the work was not complete. So I needed to find a solution. I'm so happy I came to Diamond Dental in Antalya, and they did a 3D scan. They saw the problem. They showed me where the problem really was. And then they talked to Straumann and they found a solution for me. They did a really good job. I don't think it was easy what they did, but what they did was they redid the location of the implant in the bone. They allowed it to heal. And then today they put the crown on, finally, the next crown, the good crown. And I'm very happy. I've been pain-free ever since I did that last surgery here. And now I can go about my life and I can chew on this other side of my mouth. The reason I think this story is very important is because often we're shown a 2D x-ray. Sometimes a dentist will do an x-ray and they'll say, "Oh, you're fine." But what happened to me was I needed a scan, a 3D scan, to really see what was going on and to show that the angle of my implant was really not correct and it was not going to last a long time, which of course it didn't. And every time I would put pressure, it would add more and more pain and continue to move the implant. So ultimately now I'm left with a fixed implant. I'm very happy. I'm very satisfied. Everyone here is great. And that's why I also agreed to make this testimonial video, because I totally trust these guys. And if you're in a situation like mine, or if you're curious, you have any questions, I highly recommend you come here, and I'm sure they can sort you out. And the price is great. The quality is excellent. I totally recommend these guys.